This is the central building of the Catholic University in Santiago, Chile. Its long, symmetrical main facade, with a statue of Jesus at its center, makes a strong impression on Santiago's streetscape. Yet, these defining features were not part of the building originally. They were introduced in the aftermath of a disaster, and they embody a story of recovery. This story begins in June 1888 with the founding of La Universidad Católica. At first located in other buildings, by the turn of the century, the university acquired property to build a grand university palace. In November 1902, construction began on part of the site, to house the Humanities Institute, a secondary school affiliated with the university. The architect was Ignacio Cremonesi, and this was the first phase of what was to be a larger complex. In 1909, the second phase began, but with a modified design by Emilio Jacquier and Manuel Cifuentes. As shown in this elevation, the Humanities Institute facade was to be revised to fit in with the updated design. The new section was finished in 1918. But the older Humanities Institute facade mostly remained as before. As a 1924 magazine article called it, a true masterpiece of architecture, if the front of the Institute of Humanities were to be made uniform with the rest of the building. In May 1931, a fire caused major damage to the complex. Repairs were carried out over the next few years. As these photos indicate, the old Humanities Institute facade was also rebuilt to finally provide a cohesive whole. In July 1935, the university installed a statue of the Sacred Heart of Jesus atop the center of its grand building. This statue, by sculptor Ernesto Wunsch, symbolized the building's renewal after the fire. As for the statue's design, it seems clear that the inspiration was from Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer, which was completed in 1931, incidentally, the year of the fire. 90 years later, the site, with its iconic facade and statue, remains a notable local landmark in Santiago. Thanks very much for watching.